Sorry. Look at all these vaginas here. Eating one.
Shut the fuck up. Vagina recording. Smelly vagina. Are you ready? You get more than two?
The last man.
You get more than two?
How many do you have? Let's see your mouth. What's in your hand right there? Two?
3, 2, 1.
No.
One.
Okay, you want to see Jay? Let's wish.
Put it in your freaking hand.
More two.
Okay, he's gonna eat two. Put him in your mouth.
Yeah, just put it in.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Oh, this is so big, dude.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Everybody chew them up.
You wait. Oh my gosh!
Ow. Before you swallow, I need to see your mouth.
Oh, I already swallowed.
Oh, you're on it, dude. Blake, how you doing? Ooh.
I already swallowed.
Oh my god. What's happening in my mouth?
Napkins, Miss Napkins.
I hate this. Good job, man.
You're so calm right now. I don't understand it.
I've already done two before.
How's it feel? Okay, you're not listening.
I can't talk right now.
He can't talk right now.
Oh no.
It's hooked up, but it's
Do that. Oh my god. How was that red one, dude?
Are you okay, Jess?
You needed a red one, right? It's not that bad. It's not really that bad. I'm over it. I'm ready to enjoy my dessert.
So nice.
Oh my god. You kidding? You get Tyus coffee, dude. On the double. Tyus coffee on the double. Go.
Lady
Do it now, dude.
Lady in back. Lady in back. Right here.
Jess, how are you feeling, love? Bug?
Hey, Jess.
I'm so proud of you.
Want to get some of this with cream?
Uh-oh. He left. Vagina. Blake, I'm proud of you for not being such a badge like your friend.
I think that makes it worse.
What are you doing underneath the teeth?
It's better than Tippy.
The what? What is it burning?
And I just had one.
Get some Coke, dude. Seriously, switch it off with the half and half. Do I do my own refills?
You know what feels good if you go like...
Oh, that hurts. That hurts.
You get a little breeze going through your mouth.
Oh, no. Everything's fire. It's fire everywhere.
We were sharing this.
Seriously, half and half and Coke.
You throw up?
No, man, I didn't throw up. You're sounding hot.
It works.
Doesn't it?
How much are one of those?
Coke, half and half. Ice. I don't know. I think you have to mix them all together. I mean, not mix them all together, but do them one at a time. It's like a 3-step process. Milk, half and half. I mean, half and half Coke and ice cube. So cute.
Oh! Little driblets. Oh.
Do that again.
Shit.
Here, ice helps.
Oh, thank you.
I think this has all brought us closer together, guys.
Hey, dude, chilies help.
I will never do this again.
Chili's, you're so retarded.
Oh. That feels good.
See? It helps. Ugh.
So hot. Dude, take an interview? What are you doing? What? Yeah. Ice cube, nice. Just check my water, boy.
The salt really helps.
You can feel it, hell yeah. Dude, chewing that, like you feel like you're chewing the devil. Like you know that it's fucking hot.
You just chewed double dip.
So good.
Way to do it for the vagina. Team Vagina. Team Vagina, Hippopotamus. Scissor Sisters. Oh.
Way to do it for the weed.
Oh yeah.
Balls and fingers all
Do it for the cock.
Alright, round 2.
Imagine if you would have done that once, right? Dude,
Honestly, this was not as hard as the 2.
yeah, 2 is, I mean,
2
honestly
green, but
quite
without
bad.
milk.
Yeah.
I don't know how you did it. I want to shoot myself. Oh, bye.
Bye.